Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. How? So for those of you that have looked at a couple of my videos, you know that I like talking about becoming a vendor. Vendors are a really great way to build your business, scale it, six figures and beyond. So I'm going to talk about a vendor that is really looking for individual commercial contracts for doing business with them right now. And it is floor work, which is one of my favorites. So stay tuned. I'm going to give you exactly what that is. And if you stay to the end of the video, I'm going to have a surprise for you as well. You ready? Let's go. So who is the vendor that is looking for individual commercial contract businesses right now to do business with? It is CVS, the pharmacy. Now, the great thing I love about CVS is there's a lot of them. It's the largest chain of, when you look at pharmacies right now, or drugstores, or whatever you want to call it, they are the largest. And they have a lot of floor work. So what could you do as a vendor with CVS? Well, one of the things you can do is you can clean the restrooms. Another thing, one of my fave is doing their floors. I actually am a really big floor tech person. I did all the floors at the daycares, physically did the floors. Yes, I love getting my hands dirty when it came to learning what I needed to do. And the only way I was going to learn is if I did them myself. So I did the daycare floors, and I also did quite a few of the pharmacies. Love that shine, grocery stores and such. So CVS is one of those. If you guys love doing floors, this is a great contract to be a vendor. Very, very simple for you to get started. And I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do to get started. And one other thing, I told you if you stay to the end of the video, I was going to give you exactly what you needed to do. So one thing is you're going to visit our Facebook group, and I'm going to have the link on there. And also, for those of you that stay to the end, I am going to have a registration checklist. It's going to be downloaded, and it is going to be just what you need for you to have that. So that's going to be on the Facebook group, the actual download, and I will put it in the description for, I said, a bonus. So the bonus is, ready? The download sheet gives you the checklist. You're going to go into the link description and the checklist for you to download. It's two quick little forms. I've had people that have gotten the acceptance for UPS and Walmart and Best Buy. So those vendors really do work. And I love, love, love that segment because it's one of the ways you can scale your business. So like I said, those you stay to the end, I have a surprise for you. And the surprise is in the description. You can click and download the 2-page form that goes over exactly what you need to do so you don't mess up anything for registering as a vendor of CVS. Now, for those of you that really want to scale your business, you're serious, and you want to do it either with commercial or government, then make sure you go to the free masterclass on Wednesdays for government and on Thursdays for commercial. This workshop takes you step by step on everything you need to do specifically for getting to what? Six figures and beyond. Pow! I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Space is limited, so make sure you sign up now. And until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.